I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to Jurplastic World.
Professor Vinster, Jurplastic World. Do you ever get a product that you use and you use it every day and it's just amazing? And you think to yourself, you know what? I'm going to actually send a message to the company and tell them how much I really like it. I use it on a lot of my big projects, which I'll probably show you there. And I use them on a lot of small projects. And they make different sizes, they make different sizes, of course. And they make different thicknesses and different applications to suit exactly what you need. Like, for instance, this one here, this one here is actually thin and ultra thin. Now, when you're using this, you have to make sure you just make a little small hole in it and use it for, I would say, even to put in small, say you're working on small jewelry and you want to put a piece of glass in the ring, or you want to put something very small, maybe even working on HO railroad or something like that. But this stuff comes out really quick, and if you're not careful, you'll get it in your fingers. So this is used for an application where you use a little tiny bit and it flows really well. This one here is, like it says right on it. Let me focus this. It's their super gold. Now, the super gold, I guess right there for, it's like, let me actually bring it up here and look at it here. And let me turn on my specs here. And that's probably too much. Yeah, so that's like a medium. So that's their gold. And this one here, I'm going to turn that off. This one here is it's extra. It's extra thick. And this one's for filling gaps and stuff. Say you're working on a model airplane, or you're working on like I use them for 3D printing, and sometimes something may not fit perfectly. So actually, I will use this, and it'll actually fill in a hole. And after it dries, I can take a small file or sandpaper and actually fill it in. And because I use white filament, it actually fills in pretty well to the same color, and it does a good job. The only thing is, you got to be careful. If you're going to grind it after with some kind of a sander or something that moves a little quicker, make sure you wear eye protection and maybe something on your face for like a filter, because you can burn it, and it does have a bit of a smell to it. So you have to be cautious of that. This is the reason I do it. Bob Smith is the industry that makes this, and it's called Instaset, which these ones were called Instacure. Okay, this company itself makes this. It's a spray. I used to call it a zapper, and because of the old days. It actually instantly cures it. So if you're putting two pieces together and you're lazy like me, then you want it to bond very quick. So you'd use that. Also, they do carry a spray for it too. This I had from before, so you can get these online through the company. Actually, look it up. It will say right on the bottle. Okay, I'll focus this in. Bob Smith Industries. I know for sure you can get it at Amazon. I know that for sure. And I'm not doing a thing for Amazon, but that for you guys to know. and to be able to get a hold of it. You can get it on Amazon. And now, also, you could check at your local hobby shop to see what they've got. They may have it too. So, and also I know that on Amazon, they actually have a refill bottle that you could refill your spray bottle. So that works too. And I know, in fact, I get this bottle. It's a little bit more, and I buy this from my local hobby shop. It's a little bit thicker. This is the actual. This is the gap. This is the medium too. So this is in a bit of a bigger bottle. So we will show you. I will show you some of the stuff that I glued with this. So I'm going to show you a bit of a montage or whatever of stuff I worked on, and this glue worked really, really well for me. And I'm glad they sent it to me to show you guys. And I'm hoping that you'll try it out and like it as much as I do. I've been using it for at least, I believe now, 3 years. And I use it at least every other day or sometimes every day, which is really amazing. And I've been through bottles and bottles and bottles and bottles of it. But you know what? It doesn't cost that much to have a product come out the way you want it. And like I said, I'm always in a hurry to do a video. Not in a hurry, but I got to get videos done. So I actually make a lot of projects with this glue. Mostly, well, no, this gold one, I haven't used it yet. So I'm looking forward to that. I have not used this one yet. I didn't know they had a gold, so they sent it to me. This one here, I use all the time. This extra thick. I use this all the time. It's my go-to. If I'm going to order one, that'll be it. This one here, like I said, for little jobs, like you got to really put a pinhole in it, like I said to you. I have a bottle of this still that I'm still using, and I love it. But like I said, it's thin and it's for a certain application. So there you go. So if you have any questions about this stuff, you can look up Bob Smith, and it'll direct you to where you can get it yourself if you're a hobby shop, or you're a store, a craft store, or whatever. You want to get a hold of these fine people, and I mean they are really great people, and order it and get started and see how it works for you, because I know it works great on balsa wood. It works great on little pieces of plywood and basswood. It works good for putting plants in on my little dioramas. Everything I do, I use this. So I hope this works for you guys, and I hope that you'll actually give it a shot. So Professor Vinster, and another video that I thought was very important, and I couldn't wait to do it, and they got right to it and sent it to me. So Till the next video.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.